To automatically create a new note when you remove the S Pen from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to set action taken when S Pen is removed to create note. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap S Pen. Next, tap when S Pen is removed, and then select create note. To see how it works, remove your S Pen. As you can see, a new notepad opens automatically. With this setting, every time you remove the S Pen, a new note will open instantly. So this is a quick and convenient way to jot down ideas, reminders, or sketches without manually opening the app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.